I'm so sorry.
We were stupid, sneaking around thinking that we weren't gonna get caught.
I know what you're gonna say to me.
Then let me say it. I've been so selfish because I love you so much. But it's over.
Come with me, stay the night. Just say the words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know it's just a little too late. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me. Because to you, it's just a game. You know it's just a little too late. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now.